The year is 2147. Humanity stands at a critical juncture, a point where the decisions we make today will determine the fate of future generations. The world we once knew, vibrant and full of life, is now a shadow of its former self. Our planet is in peril. The signs of distress are everywhere, from the polluted air we breathe to the contaminated waters that once teemed with life. The very fabric of our ecosystem is unraveling. Decades of environmental neglect have taken their toll. Industrial wastelands stretch as far as the eye can see, and deforestation has stripped the earth of its green lungs. The relentless pursuit of progress has left scars that may never heal. Temperatures soar, ice caps dwindle, and natural disasters are commonplace. Wildfires rage uncontrollably, hurricanes batter our coastlines, and extreme weather events have become the new normal. The delicate balance of our climate has been disrupted. Hope seems like a distant memory. Abandoned city streets and destroyed homes paint a picture of despair. The once bustling metropolises are now ghost towns, and the people who remain are gripped by a sense of hopelessness. The very survival of humanity hangs in the balance. Overcrowded hospitals struggle to cope with new diseases, and famine-stricken areas are a stark reminder of our fragile existence. The masks we wear are not just for protection, but a symbol of our vulnerability. We have pushed our planet to the brink. Polluted oceans and dead forests are a testament to our reckless actions. The natural world, once a source of wonder and inspiration, is now a reflection of our neglect. The time for change is now. People are rising up, demanding action and accountability. Renewable energy sources offer a glimmer of hope, and scientists are working tirelessly to find solutions. The collective will of humanity is our greatest asset. Yet from the depths of despair, a glimmer of hope emerges. In the darkest of times, the human spirit shines brightest. Discoveries and innovations are paving the way for a brighter future. Hopeful eyes look to the horizon, yearning for a new beginning, a sign that we are not alone in the vast cosmos. Advanced telescopes and astronomers have uncovered something extraordinary in the night sky. The stars, once distant and unreachable, now hold the promise of new possibilities. A celestial object, unlike anything humankind has ever witnessed, appears in Earth's orbit. This mysterious object has captured the imagination of people worldwide, sparking curiosity and wonder. Could it be a message from beyond, a sign of hope? It is a beacon of hope in our darkest hour. The glowing object in the sky serves as a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming challenges, there is always a reason to hope. People look up, united in their desire for a better future, a chance for redemption, a chance for survival. As humanity comes together, united by a common purpose, we have the opportunity to heal our planet and secure a future for generations to come. Thriving green landscapes and a united humanity are within our reach if we act now. Helionis, that's what we call it, a celestial object of breathtaking beauty and enigmatic nature. It hangs in our sky, a swirling vortex of colors, pulsing with unknown energy. Its arrival sparks awe and fear, wonder and trepidation. Where did it come from? What does it want? The world holds its breath. Scientists scramble for answers, telescopes are trained on this celestial visitor. Theories abound, ranging from the scientific to the fantastical. Is it a sign of an impending cosmic event, or is it something else entirely? Something more? In the face of this cosmic enigma, humanity unites. The world's brightest minds converge, driven by a shared purpose to understand Helionis. This endeavor, a beacon of collaboration, is christened the Genesis Project. Leading this ambitious undertaking is Dr. Alara Voss, a visionary astrophysicist. Her brilliance is humanity's best hope. Dr. Voss understands the gravity of the situation. Helionis could be our salvation, or it could be our doom. The world watches, waits, and hopes. The Genesis Project begins its critical work. The fate of humanity rests on their shoulders. Helionis is not just an object of beauty, it is a source of immense energy. An energy unlike anything we've encountered before. It emanates from the celestial object in waves, pulses of raw power. Dr. Voss and her team make a startling discovery. These energy patterns are not random, they are structured, rhythmic, like a language. Could Helionis be trying to communicate? The very notion is both exhilarating and terrifying. The team develops sophisticated algorithms, attempting to decipher the complex patterns. The world holds its breath. Are we ready to hear what this celestial messenger has to say? Section 5, Echoes of the Ancients. The message from Helionis is clear. It speaks of an ancient civilization, a civilization that harnessed the power of stars, a civilization that understood the universe in ways we can only dream of. They are gone now, lost to the mists of time, but their legacy lives on, in the form of Helionis. Helionis is not just an object, it is a vessel, a repository of knowledge. The ancient civilization sent it out into the cosmos, a beacon of hope for others who might face the same challenges they did, and now, it has found us. Section 6, A Beacon of Hope. The message from Helionis contains more than just history. It holds the key to our survival. Blueprints, schematics, instructions on how to harness its energy. Dr. Voss and her team work tirelessly, deciphering the ancient knowledge. They discover the secrets of building solar amplifiers, devices capable of capturing and converting Helionis' energy. The world watches in awe as the first solar amplifier hums to life. Clean, limitless energy pours into our power grids. The era of fossil fuels is over. Helionis, once a symbol of fear, now represents hope. The hope for a brighter future. Section 7, Discord in the Stars. But even in this time of newfound hope, old divisions resurface. The existence of Helionis, the promise of its technology, ignites old conflicts. Nations vie for control, for dominance. Some see Helionis as a weapon, a tool for power. The delicate balance of peace, forged in the face of extinction, begins to crumble. A new faction emerges, the Lunar Exodus. They believe humanity is not worthy of Helionis, that its power will only corrupt us further. They plan to leave Earth, to establish a colony on the moon, powered by Helionis. They believe they are saving humanity from itself. Section 8, The Weight of a World. Dr. Voss finds herself at the heart of this storm. As the lead scientist on the Helionis project, she has dedicated her life to harnessing the power of the sun to provide clean, limitless energy for Earth. Her journey has been one of relentless pursuit, overcoming countless obstacles and challenges. She understands the potential of Helionis, the good it can bring, the promise of a world free from the shackles of fossil fuels, a world where energy is abundant and clean. She envisions cities powered by the sun, where pollution is a thing of the past and the environment thrives. But she also sees the darkness it has awakened in humanity, the greed, the power struggles, the fear of change. Some see Helionis as a threat to their control, their way of life. They spread misinformation, sowing doubt and fear among the populace. Dr. Voss is caught in the crossfire trying to navigate the treacherous waters of politics and public opinion. And then, a terrifying discovery. She consults with experts, debates with policymakers, and listens to the concerns of the public. Every option is weighed, every potential outcome considered. The burden of choice is heavy, but she knows she must act. Should we hold on to Helionis, risking our planet for the promise of a brighter future? The potential benefits are enormous, but so are the risks. The debate rages on, with passionate arguments on both sides. Dr. Voss listens, her mind racing with the possibilities and the dangers. Or should we let go, trusting in our own ability to rebuild? The resilience of humanity is strong, but can we afford to take that chance? The decision is monumental, and the world watches with bated breath as Dr. Voss prepares to make her choice. The future of Earth hangs in the balance, and the weight of a world rests on her shoulders. Section 9, A Legacy of Light. In the end, humanity makes the difficult choice, a choice that would define the future of our species and the planet we call home. We choose our planet, our home. The Earth, with its vast oceans, lush forests, and diverse ecosystems, is irreplaceable. It is the cradle of our civilization, the source of our sustenance, and the foundation of our future. We choose to let go of Helionis, to forge our own destiny. The decision to part ways with Helionis was not made lightly. It was a testament to our resilience and our unwavering commitment to preserving the sanctity of our home planet. The lunar exodus departs, taking Helionis with them, a silent guardian watching over us from afar. As the spacecraft ascended into the cosmos, carrying with it the hopes and dreams of a new beginning, we were reminded of the sacrifices made and the lessons learned. Their departure marks a new chapter in human history, a chapter filled with promise and potential, where humanity stands united in its quest for a sustainable future. The celebrations that followed were not just for the departure, but for the dawn of a new era. In the wake of Helionis's departure, Dr. Voss spearheads the Solar Earth Initiative. This groundbreaking project aims to harness the power of the sun, ensuring that our energy needs are met without compromising the health of our planet. Inspired by the ancient civilization and guided by the knowledge Helionis provided, humanity embarks on a new era of sustainable living. The ancient ruins, once a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors, now serve as a foundation for our future, blending the old with the new. We rebuild our world, harnessing the power of our own sun. Solar panels adorn rooftops, and solar arrays stretch across the landscape, capturing the sun's energy and transforming it into a lifeline for our civilization. Helionis may be gone, but its legacy lives on, a beacon of hope, a reminder of our place in the cosmos. The lessons we learned from Helionis continue to guide us, reminding us of the importance of unity, resilience, and the boundless potential of the human spirit. As we look to the future, we see a world where technology and nature coexist in harmony. A world where our children can play under the sun, powered by the very energy that sustains us. This is the legacy of light that we carry forward, a testament to our enduring spirit and our unwavering commitment to a brighter tomorrow.